Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, DOT has not really moved much in the last 24 hours. Actually, Tradingview is showing me no price change at all. But the wave pattern is still, unchanged because of that. And the idea is that we are in this uptrend from the November low, actually from the August low, right? Where we started with a wave 1 to the upside, then here a wave 2 pullback, which was very deep into the November lows, but we held a higher low. So there's no invalidation of this 1-2 setup. And the idea is that we're now in a third wave. This would be marked as circle wave 3. And we could still climb a bit higher. Then at some point start the fourth wave pullback, which is due for many cryptocurrencies, for many of the altcoin charts. And then we can get a wave 5 to the upside. This would be a solid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could complete a larger corrective rally that started in August. But the main question at the moment is whether the third wave is still unfolding, and that's at the moment the thesis. That's the idea. If we go to the 1 hour chart, then well, you can see that the move up is labeled as third wave, but the fourth wave could come next internally, right? So that means in this larger third wave to the upside, which started in November at the November low, we are in the late stages of this third wave, and there should be one more higher low, which is classed as a so-called wave 4, which is a corrective pullback. It's just correcting the previous rally. And then we should get another higher high in wave 5. So the support area for this corrective pullback is located between 785 and 964. And as long as we're holding above that 785 level, the overall focus can be on a still unfolding third wave. I mean, I'm talking about circle wave 3. Should still be unfolding, and below 785, however, the overall wave pattern is likely changing, not massively, but we would move up 1 wave degree, because for this wave 4 internally, the 50% retracement is critical, 785. Any break below it would likely be too deep for a fourth wave, and we're morphing into circle 4 between 755 and 578. From here then, we can watch for also one more high in, where are we? Need to go to the 4 hour chart, in circle 5. And that means overall, the 578 level is the key pivot between bullish momentum and bearish momentum. In the short term, it's this area between 785 and 964. But what happens if we break below it? Then we have to assume we're already in the larger wave 4, and then 578 is key support. But below that level, I don't really have anything clearly bullish left. Now, let's take a look at the larger time frame to really get a good understanding of the overall levels, the wave patterns that are relevant. That also means that I'm not necessarily expecting all-time highs. They can happen, but this here is the bigger picture. It shows you that this is seen as a corrective rally, which actually started in August. Well, the corrective rally actually started last year in October. And then we have an A, B, C pattern, and we're now in the C wave, and in the C wave, in the late stages of the third wave. Next upside levels 1238, 1393, 1657, 1923, 1980. So it's sort of, we're approaching now this resistance area, and I wouldn't rule out that circle 3 slightly moves into this blue area before circle 4 starts. Now, we cannot confirm the yellow count until we have a top in place here and see that the price forms a higher low in yellow wave 4. So this is too far away and too far out. I am definitely going to add this support area, once we have a top there, but I wouldn't necessarily rely on that additional high in yellow wave 5. So that the possibility is definitely there for a more bullish scenario, but I think in the current environment, it is important to be skeptical, and the main element of the trend is going to be this C wave anyway, right? Especially the third wave in that C wave. And the third wave can still stretch out a little higher. So once we get signals that circle wave 4 has started, you will hear it first here. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.